You looked at your past and saw only failure, a long list of should-haves and could-haves that made the idea of starting over exhausting. You whispered Ya Rab not for more time, but for a sign that it wasn't too late. That maybe, just maybe, you could begin again without the weight of everything before. In sujood, you didn't pray for forgiveness. You just stayed low, forehead on the ground, not in devotion, but in the weight of feeling. Not enough. You carried the ache of too late, like a second skin. Every time you thought about change, you remembered why you stopped trying in the first place. You thought maybe Allah had moved on, that your story was already written, and this chapter was just the end of a long, disappointing tale. But what if the story was never finished? What if beneath the silence, Allah was whispering, "Come back, I've been waiting." You thought faith meant unshakable certainty, that showing doubt meant you were failing Allah. But the pressure to be sure, it distanced you from the one who loves the seeker. You apologized for your questions, for your silence, for the ache in your chest when you saw others' unwavering devotion. You thought Allah wanted certainty, not your searching heart. You hid your struggles behind verses about patience, recited them perfectly, but inside, you felt empty, like a beautiful shell hiding a soul that was still learning. They said, just trust the process. But trust felt like a lie when your soul was screaming for certainty. You felt guilty for doubting, when you were supposed to be healed. You stopped making dua for guidance, not because you forgot Allah, but because you felt too uncertain to ask for a path you couldn't see. You believed your doubt disqualified you from rahmah, that maybe you were too lost for even the most merciful to guide. Allah says, "And whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while being a believer, we will surely grant them a pure life, and we will surely give them their reward, according to the best of what they used to do." An-Nahl 1697. Your mistakes don't erase your iman. Your struggle is not a sign of forgotten faith. It is a sign that your heart still longs for its Creator's mercy. Even in doubt, you turn to Him. That turning is pure. Tadabbur is not about finding instant certainty. It's about letting the Qur'an find the parts of you that ache for truth. Let it whisper that learning is part of Iman. The Prophet said, "The strong person is not the one who overcomes others in wrestling. Rather, the strong person is the one who controls himself when angry." Your strength is not in perfection. It's in seeking, again and again. You don't need to earn your purity first. Come as you are, broken, tired, confused. The door of rahmah is not for the perfect, it's for the one who still seeks. Your heart's mistakes are not a flaw, they are a call for the mercy that only Allah provides. Let yourself be seen. Let yourself be guided. Let yourself be loved in the learning. You don't have to be perfect to be loved by Allah. He knows your journey, He knows your mistakes, and He still calls you by name. Guidance doesn't mean the mistakes disappear. It means you no longer carry them as a burden. It means you can whisper Ya Rabba and know He sees you, not your errors. Your sujood is not empty. Your silence is not void. Every moment you turn to Him, even in fragments, was a thread weaving you closer to His rahmah. You are not too broken. You are not too far. You are exactly where His mercy was meant to find you. And that mercy starts with breath. Let go of the need to be perfect. Let go of the fear of being seen as flawed. Just breathe. Just be. Just trust that you are worthy of the love that was always meant for you. This is not the end of your story. This is the moment you stop striving for flawlessness. This is the moment you remember. Healing isn't betrayal. It's worship. If you're ready to accept yourself and begin the journey with guidance rooted in the Qur'an and Sunnah, we've prepared something gentle for you. Find it in the description when your heart says it's time.